Opportunities don't happen, you create them. A very cheerful evening to all the young minds here. I welcome you all for the inaugural ceremony of our company Software. Let's begin today's session by seeking the blessings of the Almighty on this auspicious day through a prayer song. Thank you. Gratitude is the powerful catalyst for happiness. I now call upon Mr. R. Balaji, founder and CEO of Software, to render the welcome address.
Thank you, Arnie. A very wonderful good evening to one and all gathered here. Before we get started, I would like to welcome our honorable chief guest, Dr. Mithilesh Satyanarayanan, founder and CEO, MIT Square, London, our eminent guest of honor, Mr. Tamil Chelvan, soft skills trainer, founder of Simple Trust, Chennai, and our respected guest of honor, Mrs. Bhuneshwari Loganathan, ma'am, co-founder and director, MIT Square, Bangalore, and my dear HOD ma'am, Dr. T. Sheila, HOD and Dean Networking, Sri Sairam Engineering College. And I would like to express my sincere appreciation to all of you who generously helped us make this event come together to become a success. We couldn't have done it without you. You have all been chosen to be a part of our association due to mutual passion for software missions. Your passion helps us to make to unite, and the energy we create is what allows us to achieve our individual as well as our group goals. We need you as much as you need us, and that's why we are grateful to have you join us today at Corporate. During this next few months, you will be getting so many opportunities by our company on learning by the different initiatives throughout our planned activities, workshops, and special events where you will be able to join in and get hands-on experience. I hope those will help you to grow to be more productive and smart. Thank you.
Thank you, Balaji. I now call upon Ms. Shobana, co-founder Software, to introduce the services provided by the company to the gathering.
A very warm welcome to one and all gathered here. First of all, I wish to thank each and every one of you for being here with us today. In today's virtual gathering, I would like to share the services provided by our company. Software is a dynamic startup that helps you in building your profile and tech requirements in a user-friendly and creative way. We also provide a wide range of internship opportunities for budding talents. We actually play the role of satisfying customer requirements and technical help such as portfolio, college event websites, app development, SEO. Search engine optimization is the process of improving quality and quantity of website traffic to a website or a web page from search engines. And also, with the help of high novelty and with low Yeah, our plan is to develop student community. Yeah, and business leaders to make their dreams success in this digital world. Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, now we can.
Hello?
Please go ahead. Please
Yeah.
go. Now we can.
Shobna, your voice is breaking, Shobna.
I think network issues. And now,
No, it's breaking now also.
Harni?
It's breaking. Okay. Thank you, Shobna. A dream does not become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. We have Dr. Mithilesh Satyanarayanan, sir, founder and CEO, MIT Square London, as the chief guest for today's session. Kindly enlighten us, sir.
Thanks a lot, Arini. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. So in case if there is some network issues or something, just let me know so that, like I'll recheck, but I hope it should not be a problem from my side.
Sure,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Hello, everyone. There's such a great feeling to be here. Thank you so much, Balaji and the team for inviting me. It gives me immense pleasure to be associated with you all. And my special greetings to Sheila ma'am, HOD of Sri Sai Ram Engineering College. Thanks
Thank you,
to
sir.
Punit Pri ma'am, Tamil Selvan sir, founders and co-founders of the company. Thanks a lot to other organizers and supporters who have gathered here. And you guys are doing a fantastic job. Seriously, guys, hats off. This is quite inspiring stuff. I'm sure you guys are going to rock. And I'm sure, we'll have more students who will be starting a company with Sai Ram Incubation Center. So you guys will go a long distance. And I'm really grateful to Balaji for inviting me here. Actually, Balaji interned with our company, MIT Square, for the last 6 months. He's such a hardworking guy. I really have no words. I think I need to search through several dictionary words and thesaurus to really put those kind of words, vocabularies to really describe him. He's that kind of a guy who puts enormous efforts into a particular task thrown at him. He has responded so well. Let me tell you honestly, in the last 6 months, he just responded amazing. He is highly proactive, committed, dedicated to his work, very sincere. He works day and night. He almost sleeps along with the same UK time. That's incredible. When I go to bed by around 2, 3 in the morning, for him it's really late, and he sits and he makes sure the project is completed. That kind of dedication I've not seen anywhere. He is that kind of a hardworking guy. I'm really proud that Balaji has taken a great decision to join hands with others like Shobana, Nikita, and Abhirami. And you guys are doing a fabulous job, let me tell you honestly. And great to see you guys being the founders at a very young age. I dreamt to be an entrepreneur at the age of 19, but my professors and other people did not motivate me, but I had to motivate myself. So I moved out of India and started my own career, and now I have my own firm. When you guys are doing at a very young age, it's quite inspiring. This is what we need to do as Indians. We need to work together, stick together, and do something amazing. Starting a firm as a student is a very special feeling. You guys are setting some high standards and setting an example to other students as well. So hearty congrats for coming up with this kind of idea to have your own firm, and you need to go a long distance. But I have some few suggestions that that might help you guys. It's my journey that has helped me to learn, so I would like to share some of my ideas and views so that you guys get a real hang of what the real scenario in the market is. Having spent several years interviewing candidates and training and mentoring other engineers, I have found that certain qualities do make engineers more likely to succeed within a startup environment. So you guys are on the right track, so nothing to panic actually. But there are a lot of other aspects that you need to consider. Like for example, time management plays a critical role, which I'll definitely discuss in the next few minutes. So, but before that, I would like to tell you, ultimately, lot of qualities stem from few key aspects of how working at a startup differs from working at a more established company. You need to understand how this difference. Don't expect your startup to be as quickly flourish like a Wipro or Infosys or TCS. Don't dream in those aspects. But of course, having a very big plan makes a difference. But start slowly, steadily. Just keep moving ladder by ladder and let your curve be exponential. So that's one important thing that you need to keep in mind. And I have a couple of more things to share. Like, as a startup, you have a higher surface area, like to develop a product, or you understand the whole software systems and the culture that you're responsible for. And your success depends much more on your team's performance than yours. When you work in a different company, it's a different cup of tea. When you work as a startup, as founders and co-founders, understanding is really important. Any decision that you take, you need to really discuss with all the founders, of course, the co-founders and any other team management. Don't take a bizarre decision just like that randomly. It doesn't help. You will affect your team's dynamics and performance. So just make sure that you all stick together, have a very good understanding that will keep you going a long distance. And time is more critical, actually. Your time management will be tested severely in the next few months, couple of years. You need to, just because it's a startup, you often get to reach the profitability, and to really focus on this time. The limited times means that you have to ramp up quickly to finish a particular project or your client's project. And you don't have that kind of a luxury to dilly-dally your work. Like if you're in a different company, then you can play around. But when it's a startup, you need to stick with your deadlines. You need to stick with your plan. Stick with any other milestones that you need to achieve for. And in particular, focus on few things that I would like to suggest. As I mentioned, time management is very critical. A pragmatic attitude towards your decision making also will be tested, and you need to really act on it. Understand the market thoroughly. You just can't dive into your product development, or you can't just dive into something else without understanding the market. Then you need to learn constantly. Your willingness to learn constantly will make a massive difference. Then the other point is your satisfaction of the customers or clients. That will play a massive role. You just can't tell them, I'm just done with some application and you please take this application and you take the whatever the fee for. No, that doesn't help. You need to provide them utmost complete satisfaction to whatever they are asked for. Make sure you address all the requirements they are going to give you. Make a note of it clearly, and then reciprocate with the proper solutions. And with respect to registering a company with the Government of India and other legal documentation, I will be very happy to support. I have very good contacts, and our company MIT Square will be there right behind you to support in any aspect that you need. And yeah, that's pretty much from my side. With this, I would like to thank you once again for inviting me on this auspicious day. I wish you all a massive success in the entrepreneurial journey. Just keep rocking, guys. And yeah, we are there for you guys. Nothing to panic, we are there. Love you guys.
Yes, sir. Sir, thank you so much for your motivated words, sir. Really, thank you so much.
Papa, I'm very happy for you, Ninala Varno, and of course your team. And yeah, confident pongo. We are there for you.
Sure, sir. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Greatness is a fear of God, contentment in God, and honor in humanity. Today, we have Mr. Tamil Selvan G, soft skill trainer and founder Simple Trust Chennai, and Ms. Bhuvaneshwari Loganathan, co-founder and director MIT Square, Bangalore. Thank you for accepting our invitation. I now call upon Mr. Tamil Selvan sir to inspire us.
First of all, good evening, everyone. I hope everyone can hear me. Nice arrangements you all made, and wonderful to see that soft rate name soft rate, okay? Which is whenever a customer think about something, they think about the rate price. That is the main thing, major thing. Wherever you go, whatever you do, the first thing, soft rate is something unique, I say. And the young entrepreneurs, I